Welcome to 25742 Ridge Road. How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson. This custom Rambler has everything you need. Tons of space. Let's go take a look inside. Coming in off of the driveway, you've got a great deck out back here. Cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, tons of storage space, granite countertops, and plenty of prep space with a huge great room right behind us. In the great room, we have cathedral ceilings, natural light coming in from both sides, a great fireplace for those cold winter nights, and access to the garage. Coming in off of the dining room, I would wall this thing off, put a closet here, a door here, then you have a vast space for an additional bedroom. Coming off the foyer on this wing of the house, you have a great hall bathroom with dual vanities. Bedroom number 2, the master suite is enormous. They took 2 bedrooms, turned it into 1. There's also a brand new bathroom in the master. Check out this view. As you come down into the basement, there's a great laundry and storage room right over here to my left. You got a big full bathroom right behind me, 2 bedrooms, walkout steps. This would be an awesome spot for a pool table, and you got a cozy rec room area right here with a fireplace. I think this would make a perfect spot for a barn. You can raise farm animals, you can garden, and you can keep an eye on it all from your front porch. Out back, you got a huge deck that spans almost the entire length of the house. The roof is only a few years old, and you have a fenced-in backyard.